Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can color roles on Discord. So in this case you have to choose the server first. Then you can see your server name here. Click on this and go to server settings and go to roles. Then if you want to color the role, just click on this edit option and you can see here many colors like green, blue or whatever. Just choose your color and click, and your role will be colored. Like this green bot will be green now. Done. GG. New role will be yellow. Click and done. So guys, this is how you can color your role in Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.